Payback time shells.
YouTube, we back with another video. Now this time we come my boy Cam. He getting the mid tape. And you know we finna sauce my boy up. So if you ain't like the video already, go ahead and like the video. Rate the haircut on what you think the haircut gonna come out. And subscribe, because we trying to go ahead and get to as many subscribers as we can. So I need y'all to subscribe for me. So go ahead and do that. But to start this haircut off, we're gonna start picking it out. And then I'll be back to y'all once we start our tape. Now to start on our taper, we're gonna just simply go ahead and comb the hair down. That we're just gonna, fade up, and we're gonna go in with a curved line this time to start our mid taper. We're gonna go in with our lever open with our fabulous lithium effects. And now we're going in with our one guard. Now just take this up about a finger's width or about an inch wide. That's about the most you want to go up with it. And, just set this the same way for each guideline. And make sure you're also brushing or combing the hair back down so you can see the difference. And now we're going in with our 1.5 to pretty much eliminate the book up top. And, pretty much lighten that blend up so we can get that blurry effect to it. Now we're just coming in with that back end with that one guard again. We're just gonna work our fade back on down, fade fam. Our 0.5 guard, and just pretty much use the corner the whole time you're really just fading, so you can hit those exact dark spots that you're looking for, so you can lighten up the fade. Now just also use a light touch to it as well, therefore you don't just hit a main area and then next thing you know you got a gap. So just lightly touch and feather at it, so therefore you can take the least amount of hairs away as possible. Now we're going in with our lever closed. And now you just, after you go lever halfway, then lever open. Once you get to lever open, now mind you, you still use that corner tediously and carefully the entire time. So, just lightly flick and you'll see those areas just disappear over, times as you flick at those areas and brush them back down. Now it's the same exact steps for the back, so I'm gonna just speed this up. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this from Faith now. Now for the nape line, we just, on this side, on the left side of the head for me, I start with the curve motion and then I go down to the straightaway. But, you know, just find a familiar way that, you know, just really works for you. Now for the lineup, I like to start in the middle and then work my way to either side. It doesn't really matter like what side you go to. It can be your own preference. Just make sure, you take this step back after you complete one side and then make sure it's fully equal and then, go ahead and do the other side. Now for the C-cup, I use the right side of my blade to finalize and just punch in that straightaway line. And then I use the left side of my blade to create that C-like motion. But I only use that corner of the blade so you can really just to drop it down to make the C-cup really just might pop more and finalize that line. And now we're gonna just go ahead and apply the enhancements. Now we're lining him up one more time to give it that cherry on the top touch to it. Raising my boy up, and then hey, y'all gonna see that final touch to it. Fade fam, this is the before. Ain't gonna lie, gang came in kind of chopped, but he was smiling because we was joking around. I don't know, but for some reason, Bud had locked in with the quickness. Fade fam, this is the after. Now, if you like this chop, go ahead and give your boy a like down below. Go ahead and give me a 1 through 10 in the comments, and give me hit that subscription button for me. You know, we're trying to go ahead and hit as many subscribers as we can, so go ahead and hit do that for you, boy. This is the cut. Fade fam, I'm out.